Have you battled with heartburn and acid reflux for such a long time that it's become part of your daily routine? Believe it or not, there's a simple trick to restoring your internal balance and preventing the occurrence of these pesky health conditions. Even better is the fact that you can return to a normal life faster than you ever thought possible. Heartburn No More is a unique product designed to effectively treat acid reflux and heartburn using natural heartburn home remedies and simple tips on how you can eliminate the symptoms that come with it. Heartburn No More is one of the best at treating digestive disorders such as constant bloating, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and LGS. The wealth of information found within the product relieves you of the constant irritations quickly. The creators of Heartburn No More is the same one who made Acne No More, the product that helped thousands of people all over the world get rid of their debilitating skin condition better than any acne treatment in the market. The holistic approach is similar in that acne home remedies are used instead of skincare products that don't work. Heartburn No More is for those who are tired of dealing with acid reflux every time they eat a meal. If you want to truly start enjoying what you eat, then this product can help you get there. Get the quality of life that you deserve, free of the debilitating effects of heartburn and acid reflux. What's more, Heartburn No More will bring back youthful vigor and vitality in your step, reversing the aging process by a few years. You'll feel energized and ready to tackle the day's problems without the nastiness and discomfort of untimely heartburn. Your immune system will be up and running in the best shape it has been, and you'll be free to focus on the more important things in life. Be worry-free and try Heartburn No More today. You won't regret it.